Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Horyatun Sofiana Jalila with NIM 23410106003. Here I will explain my task last week, analysis SPLK and syntax. Okay, I have one sentence is he has been working in New York for 4 years with his professor. Analysis SPOC, subject as he, predicate as has been working, and complement as in New York for 4 years with his professor. This sentence doesn't require a direct object because the verb working is used in more general sense describing the activity or job being done. Jadi, dalam kalimat ini terdiri dari subjek, predikat, dan keterangan. Subjeknya itu he, predikatnya itu has been working, dan keterangannya itu in New York for 4 years with his professor. Kalimat ini tidak memiliki objek. Kenapa? Karena tidak membutuhkan objek secara langsung karena working ini digunakan secara general, seperti menjelaskan tentang aktivitas atau pekerjaan yang telah dilakukan. And then if analysis about part of speech, this sentence he as pronoun has as auxiliary verb, been as verb, part of present perfect tenses, and working as verb, and in as preposition, New York as prepositional as noun, and for as preposition, for as adjective atau kata sifat, yours as noun, kata benda, and with as preposition, and then professor as noun. Jadi kalimat ini kalau dianalisis menggunakan part of speech, he itu merupakan kata ganti. Lalu has ini merupakan kata kerja bantu. Untuk been ini kata kerja yaitu bagian dari present perfect tense. Lalu working ini merupakan kata kerja utamanya, dan in merupakan kata depan yang akan mendeskripsikan New York di belakangnya ini. New York ini merupakan preposition atau objek dari in yang didescribe. Lalu yang for ini merupakan kata depan yang akan menunjukkan durasi, akan menunjukkan for. For ini adjektif, kata sifat yang akan menggambarkan yours. Yours ini merupakan kata benda, objek dari for ini sendiri. Lalu with ini kata preposition, kata depan yang akan menunjukkan his ini. His ini merupakan kata sifat yang akan menggambarkan profesor, yaitu noun, kata benda. And then we move to syntax, 3 diagrams. So this sentence have divided into 2 types. First, noun phrase and verb phrase. Noun phrase as pronoun as he, and verb phrase categorized into 2 types, tenses and noun phrase. Tenses split into 3 categories. First, have as has. Secondly, be as been, and verb intransitive as working. And then noun phrase divided into 2 types again. First, prepositional phrase and noun phrase. Prepositional phrase as in, And then noun phrase categorized into two types as noun and noun phrase. Noun as New York and noun phrase split into two categories. First, prepositional phrase and noun phrase. Prepositional phrase as for. Noun phrase split into two categories. First, determine as for and noun phrase. Noun phrase divides into two types. First, noun as yours and noun phrase. Noun phrase categorized into two types. First, prepositional phrase and noun phrase. Prepositional phrase as with and noun phrase as determine. Noun phrase split into two categories, determined as his and known as professor. So I think that's enough for my explanation. Thank you for watching.